Understanding the phrase, clamor of voices. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, clamor of voices. This phrase is not only picturesque but also quite common in both literary and everyday English. Whether you're reading a book, watching a movie, or simply engaging in everyday conversation, understanding this phrase will definitely enrich your English language skills. Let's dive in. Clamor of voices is a phrase that vividly describes a situation where there are many people talking at once, often loudly and without harmony. The word, clamor, itself means a loud and confused noise, especially that of people shouting vehemently. When we say, a clamor of voices, we are picturing a scene where multiple voices are overlapping, creating a sort of noisy environment. This phrase is often used to describe public places, like markets or protests, but can also be used metaphorically in literature. To better understand clamor of voices, let's look at some examples. 1. In a crowded market. Imagine walking through a bustling marketplace. Vendors are calling out prices, customers are haggling, and friends are chatting. This noisy, lively atmosphere is a perfect example of a clamor of voices. 2. In literature, a writer might use this phrase to set the scene in a busy location or to indicate a moment of chaos or confusion in a story. 3. In everyday conversation, you might hear someone say, "I couldn't hear you over the clamor of voices at the party." This means that the party was so loud with people talking that it was hard to hear individual conversations. While clamor of voices is straightforward in meaning, its usage can vary. Literary versus everyday use. In literature, this phrase often carries a deeper, more descriptive significance, whereas in everyday speech, it's used more literally. Connotation. The phrase can have a negative connotation, suggesting overwhelming or unpleasant noise. However, it can also simply depict a lively, energetic atmosphere. And that's a wrap on clamor of voices. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about painting pictures and conveying emotions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.